So today, I'm about to change out the steering wheel in this bitch. So I'm about to do that, get this shit pumping. I got this part out. It's kind of, the angle's weird, but I'll try to flip it out. But yeah, got it out. I'm in the Bmw, so y'all can just watch me get active. I'm about to do this shit real quick. Got that part out. Yes, sir. Beep, beep. Just gotta disconnect a few more wires. I'll actually show y'all. Alright, so this is how it looks. We got the steering wheel front part off. Now we're gonna take off these clips. Pretty simple, I just removed them. Pop it out like this one, and this one, the same one. Once I find out where this clip is, it's right there. Let me just check with that 1 second. We got that out, so I had to just take out this one and this one right here, and then we're gonna take this whole thing out. We got it out. Now I need this piece, so we're gonna try to swap it out real quick. 2 switches go right here. Just like right there. See that? Boom, boom. Start taking this up. This looks like a T. Mine just broken right here, so we got it off. And yeah, let's swap it out with the other one. This is the new one, new switch module we got in here. It actually goes on pretty good, nice and flush. So we're gonna get this bolted back on and we're gonna get the show back rolling. Alright. Gucci. Wow. Okay. Now the next step, we got this back on. Now we need to put the steering wheel. My steering wheel right here. Put the steering wheel back on now. So this wire was running through here. That one back in there. Put this one back in there. For me. Okay. Let's plug the wires back in behind the steering wheel. Back coils. Oh! What the fuck? No! Come on! Fuck! Are you serious, bro? Good thing we got 2. Built that shit back. Thank God. Now we know how serious this is. We need to be extra. So we're gonna focus on that last. bunch of mess going on here right now. I don't even know what happened here. Just gonna get this up out of here. Now we need to be extra careful this time, guys. Okay. Now, steering wheel. And we have to be extra cautious with this one because we've seen how that one went. And we're not going for another one, you feel me? So let's knock it out. Take our time. Exaggerating, okay. Alright, so it's good, y'all. It's the next day. I actually did get it installed. Everything's back to normal, everything's fresh, everything's good, so that's just what it is now. We about to I actually drove on it yesterday. It drives pretty nice, smooth, clean. So yeah, that was it. That's how you change the steering wheel. I guess you could say the switch as well for Bmw E90 E92. Pretty sure E93 is the same way, but I don't know about these for sure. So that's that. Appreciate y'all. So if y'all like the video, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Be dropping more BMW videos soon, you know, as I'm working on my project. So yeah, just continue to stay tuned and check me out. Yes, sir.